Okay, hang on 2 seconds. No. Just a quick one. How to if you do the cube, it's Rubik's cube stuff again. If you do the cube with the face or the one I colour on the top, and do the sides, the first layer, and then do the second layer. Then do the second layer. You'll end up with this, the bottom bit that hasn't been done. Now, some people do it this way, upside down, and they're looking at the bottom. Yeah, I can't do it that way. I can't go from doing it this way for the first 2 layers, and then go to this way for the 3rd layer. Yes, you have to look at the bottom, but I still do it from the top, even though I am doing the bottom. But here we are. This move here, if you're doing it this way, so you've got 2 layers complete, you'll end up with the 3rd layer. So this 3rd layer, we haven't got the edges in place. We haven't got them all in place. That one there is, this one here is in the wrong place. That one there is in the wrong place. And none of the corners, they're in the right places, the corners, but the corners are not in. Some people do the cross on the bottom. I don't. I do the corners first, and I do the, I probably do it the wrong way around, but I do it what suits me. You do it how you suits you. I'd put the corners in first, which gives me then the 4 middle bits to do. It doesn't really matter which way you do it around, whichever way you feel easiest. So, the corners. Just this is this one here is red, blue, and yellow. It's the right corner, but it's not the right way around. It wants twisting. Yeah. This one here is also red, green, and yellow. It's in the right corner, but they're all in the right corner. All these 4 corners are in the right positions, but they want to spin round, so they've got the bottom surface, the yellow, on the top, and in the right way. So this is how I do it. You've got these yellows, which is the bottom surface, need to be on the bottom, and these are the same. Yeah, you'll get this all the time, and you might have a different combination on the bottom. So the way I do it is I don't use the 3. I use the 1, the single ones, and you can go either way. So I go down. So I use this towards me. Either one, left way. It goes left and that way, or that way and that way. 1. So I go. It's a bit difficult to see me see and you see. 1, then up, so the other bit's round here, yeah, there, yeah, and then I spin the bottom, and I come back down again, and I go twice, so then it comes up, all the 3 come up, so when I tilt it up, the face is back where it is, yeah, so you got it, but it's moved it, and now the bottom has got these on it, yeah, so they've got 2 in the right place, because it hasn't changed the positions of the corners. The corners are all still in the same place, but it's just put 2 the right way, and still left 2 that aren't the right way. So this way we do, it doesn't really matter really, as long as you want to put either one of these or one of these. So I do that one again, yeah, twist it, push this back up, 1 more, that's like it is there, and then 1 more again, the same way, then I come down again, and the reason why I come down is because if you look at the back, that's the bit we need, and because it's on this side, we have to do 2 moves. So we've done 1 move, we've brought it down 1, we've done 1 move, we've put it up, and we've twisted it while it's up. Then as it comes down, it's got to do 2 moves to clear this, which is where we are now. So we bring it down, and do the 2, which brings you back to the top and the 2 layers. Now we've got 2 in, but that's all we've got. The other 2 are in the right positions, but as you can see, yeah, the wrong way around. They're in there, but they've got to be turned. I don't know the exact way of doing this. It's probably very fast from what I'm doing it. I do it, just keep on doing it. It's not the same move. So down, twist 1, up, twist the bottom again, then come down and then twist the bottom twice, and then go up, and then it gives you the top in, which is what I'm doing now. So I'm there, and then you get the L. You'll see the L a bit. So you've still got the top 2 layers, and you've got the L. So if you put the L on its corner, which is there, yeah. So the L is it's where it should be, yeah. And then I use, well, you've got 1, 2, or another 2. Just use any one of the yellows. Any one of the yellows. These yellows. Yeah. Well, we're here again. So we've got 2. We've got 2 again in the right way. But it's the same move, so I just keep on doing it. There's a faster way of doing it. I just have to go a bit faster because I do it a different way. Oh dear. So we've had the corner bit, we've had the L, and then we've now got this. Again, I put that, which is the corner it should be in. And whenever I do this, the corner that is in, I always use, which I should have done a minute ago, but I forgot, the yellow, or the base colour. In this case, it's the yellow. So from the corner, you won't see a colour there. This is the corner that's in, yeah. You won't see a yellow on this space, but you'll see one on there. So the corners here, one you won't see a base colour, the yellow, and on the corner, and the other one you do. It's the one that you do. So in this case, we're going the other way around, so because the yellow is here, or the base colour is here. So if we do this again, that puts the corners in. So now all the corners are in, yeah, the right way up. So you need only one corner to be in. You don't want 2 corners. You don't want diagonal corners. You can't get 3 corners, I don't think. You just want the one. Any one corner in the middle. So it'd be like this. It'd be like the L that we had, or that one. And when you get the H, all the corners, as long as you got the corners in, the corners will be in, and they are. Yeah. This, I don't know the quick way of doing this. I do it my own way, but it works, and I just have to keep on doing this. Like the corners, I don't keep on doing it, and they come in. So then now, if you had done the cross on the bottom, this is where you wouldn't have this problem. You'd have had the cross here, and then you do the corners. The corners are probably easier to do first, but sometimes it falls where you've got the cross and you've got one corner, which means you've got it does it all. So now we just can put the bottom sections in, which are, this is how I do it again. So you can pick either way. I'll go from one of these, probably this one or that one. So the blue side, in this case, down one, cross. So it's going towards me, but in the camera it's going towards you. Up, again, 1, down. So you've got that again, yeah. And that's the bit so it's gone here first. It's gone Can't get this. Where's it gone? It's gone here first, down here. It's gone here first, then it's been up, then I've twisted it round so it's now here, and then I'm going to twist it round so it's this side, and then it comes back to where it is now. So as it's there, I can't remember if I've done it properly or not. I'm talking. No, I haven't, because we're back to where we were. So I'll just do this quickly. There, and that goes from the H we just saw to these, which I prefer. There might be a different way, but this is how I prefer it. So the corners are still in. Yeah. And yeah, so I just carry on. Now, instead of that was once, down, twist, up, twist when it's up, come back down, twist, up, twist, down, twist, up, twist, and then you put the top bit back in again. So when it comes down, that will come round and it fits in, and then it goes back up the top, which gives you still your 2 layers and all your corners. Yeah, so it's the same move, but to get from the H to this, you have to do it once, twice, 3, 4 times, 3 times. Sorry. And on here, you do it just now. We're now on just 3 times. Sorry, to 2 times, which is down. This is the move you do now, which is it's hard for me to show you like that. So it's down like that. 1, and then you don't stop round the back like that. You don't stop. So it's here. The first time, to go from the H, you bring it down and you move this bit